Welcome to our channel Food Hive and let's prepare something yummy.
Today we are going to prepare Baingan ka Bharta, roasted and mashed eggplant. Note down the ingredients needed. Take one medium-sized brinjal and brush little oil onto it. Roast it nicely on medium-low flame from all sides. And add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Then add 1 large-sized chopped onion and fry it for 30 seconds. Add ginger and garlic paste 2 teaspoons and mix it well for 20 to 30 seconds. Add coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, and mix it well. Add 1 chopped medium-sized tomato and mix it well. Now add red chilli powder and salt to taste and mix it well and then cover and cook in low flame for 5 to 10 minutes till tomatoes softens. Add roasted eggplant or brinjal and mash it nicely with masher or spoon and mix it well. After that cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes in low flame. Open the cover and stir it for a while, checking if all is cooked well and soft. If not, cover and cook little more in low flame. Now your Baingan ka Bharta is ready to serve with bajra roti, paratha, roti or steamed rice. Enjoy along with buttermilk, onion and jaggery.
Tell us in comments if you liked our recipes, and for more awesome recipes from Food Hive, please subscribe, like and share.